So in this lab, create and execute a SQL workflow in Dataform. What you will learn in this learning objectives: create a data from repository, create and initialize the data from development workspace, and execute a SQL workflow. Also view execution logs in Dataform. So this lab walk through the process to create and execute SQL workflows in Dataform to load data in BigQuery. Okay, let's go. So for the setup, let's go. I think it is okay already. Yes, I'm already loading the account now, right now. And let's proceed with task 1. Create a data form repository. In the console, BigQuery data form. Let's go BigQuery data form. Yep. In data form, create repository, and yep, we need the repository ID. So this is the repository ID, and Europe was 4. Okay. Create a repository. Europe was 4. Netherlands. Okay. Yep. After that, click create. So create. No. Once the repository is created, you will see data from service account, copy and save the account. Service account, you will need to use it. Okay. In your running, go to repository. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay. And copy this one here. So after we need this, so yep. And you're with one tech. Yeah, let's proceed with this. Let's check that if it is okay. Yeah, great. So let's proceed with task 2 is to create and initialize a data form development workspace. So on data form page, click on the quick start repository you just create and create development workspace. Okay, I need this ID. Let's copy this ID. Okay. Also create development workspace. Development workspace need ID. After that, create. Yep. Once created, click on click development workspace. Initialize workspace. Okay, let's go and click start workspace. Initialize workspace. And after that, what's it gonna do? So I think it's okay. Yep. Yep. I think it is okay. So now. Okay, let's check the progress now. Great. Now proceed to the task 3. Now create a SQL X file for defining a view. So in the session, you define a view that you will later use. Okay. In the file point next to the definition, click more. Configuration. Definition. Okay. see first view SQL, second view SQL is okay. Take an menu, two vertical dots, and appear when you okay. This one okay, and click create file and the file path. Okay, let's just try copy this one. Create a file. Let's try to add this. Yep, just copy this one. Okay, and create this. After creating this one, define a view, find define folder, click on this one and enter this code snippet. Okay. This one. Yep. In the file, enter this one. Okay. Okay. After that, octagonal zone. Task 4 is create secret file table. Okay. Section and table, and then write a select statement to define the table structure with the form. Okay, in the file on next definition, click more. I think already create this one, right? Yeah, it's like the same, but yes, quick start source. This is just a table, so it's not the same. So let's go here, create file, and create this one. Create this one. Yep. After that, create file, define table. In the file definition, okay, select this one and add this, and enter the following table type and select statement. Okay, stable this one. Okay, now you might notice some error here, like this one. Okay. There's something ground data from access to a BigQuery. Okay, let's go to where I am. Account ID, you could be okay. Select job, BigQuery job user, and add another role. Okay, it's some grant access. Let's put this service account. So I just copy here. Okay, so that's all. BigQuery job user. Set role job, please select BigQuery job user. BigQuery job user. Add another. No, cancel. add another role, this one, and BigQuery editor role, BigQuery editor role. BigQuery editor role, BigQuery editor role, adjunct and BigQuery data viewer, BigQuery data viewer is the last one, I think. Okay, now we set our on, so now click save. After that, task completed, so check our progress. Everything is did we yep, I think that's okay now. So last task is to go to a BigQuery data platform again. BigQuery data platform, Dataform, sorry, BigQuery, BigQuery Dataform, BigQuery Dataform, yep, BigQuery Dataform, yeah, yep, BigQuery Dataform, open, quick start, Workspace, no, click on quick start Workspace, yep, and to quick start Workspace page, click start execution. In the session, select execute user, execution user credential, yep. Click on download, select action execute. Click on drop label, select action to execute. Set action to execute, pick set all. And yep, execution option authentication. Yep. Say that to leave all item as a default value. Allow, so successfully create. No assets student account on the next page with allow data use. Okay, so now I think it is okay. Check my progress now. Should be okay. On the quickest workspace page, execution to, yeah, I think it is okay. Click execution to open any component to view data on your execution. Okay. This is my execution panel. So I can see execute for quick start says view, quick start table, and second view. Yep, this one can see all the data, create a schema. Yeah, that's great. It was not difficult, but I will say that's easy. That's great. So thank you guys. I think that's all. Let's end the lab here. Yep. That's great.